Hello friends and welcome to your Spanish Corner. In today's video, we are going to study the prepositions in Spanish. We will see the simple prepositions and also a few examples of compound prepositions. So let's get started. There are around 20 simple prepositions in Spanish, and it's not difficult to learn them all. The problem is that sometimes, you could say too many times, some verbs and expressions go with different prepositions in English and Spanish. Let's see an example. In English, we dream about or of something. In Spanish, we dream with something. He dreams of a better world. If we translate it directly, we would say, Él sueña de un mundo mejor, as the English preposition of means de in Spanish. But that is wrong. In Spanish we say, Él sueña con un mundo mejor. Con means with. Now, on the other hand, there are verbs and expressions using the same prepositions in English and Spanish. Examples, instead of, en lugar de, in agreement with, de acuerdo con, etc. So, bearing all this in mind, we are now going to learn the simple Spanish prepositions and their basic meaning in English. And then, in other videos, we will be studying the meaning of Spanish prepositions in different expressions. So, I'll repeat each preposition twice, and if you want to learn them quickly and improve your pronunciation, please repeat each preposition after me. A. It means to or at. Ante. In the presence of. Bajo. Under. Con. With. Contra. Against. De. It means of or from. Desde. Meaning from or since. En. This preposition can mean in, on, or at. Entre. Between or among. Hacia. To, towards. Hasta. Until. Para. For or in order to. Por. For or by. Según. According to. Sin. Without. Sobre. Can mean on, over, above, around, or about. Tras. Behind or after. Mediante. Through. Durante. During. Besides, there are a fair number of compound prepositions like detrás de, behind, enfrente de, opposite, encima de, on top of, or the ones we have seen before, en lugar de, instead of, and de acuerdo con, in agreement with. But that will be for future videos in which we will see prepositional phrases, expressions, and different uses of Spanish prepositions. So let's finish this video here. If you have enjoyed it, Subscribe to this channel for more videos. We'll go on improving our Spanish knowledge. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson. Hasta pronto. Hasta is a preposition meaning until.